Hello. So this application called Branch Subscription will allow you to add your multiple branch names, mention them in the subscription module, so you know which subscription belongs to which particular branch. So let's see how it works. So we will first go to settings. Under settings, we will go to users and companies, and we will go to branch. Under branch, you can create your multiple branches. You can see here I've created 2 branches for my company where you can add more details like the address and the telephone number as well. Now let's go to users, and we will go to the particular user whom we want to give the access rights of the preferences of the branch. So if I go to preferences, here you can see allowed branches and a branch. So under allowed branch, these 2 branch are allowed by this user. That means that the user have access to the details and the information of this 2 branch, and this particular user is working from this particular branch. So you can either have just 1 or 2, or do not give any allowance to any of the multiple branches. So once all the preferences are done, let's go to our subscription module. Now let's create a new subscription. So I'll go to subscription and I will add the customer. Here you can see the branch Chennai is already mentioned as Chennai is selected over here. You can toggle between branches from here. Now let's add a product, and I can confirm this. Sorry, to add the recurrence, and I can confirm this. Under other info, you can see the branch mentioned over here as well. Now this is done. Let me create an invoice for this. The invoice has been created, and you can see the branch is also mentioned here as well. So let me confirm this. We can register the payment, and while you're registering the payment, you also have the branch visible here, so you know this is for particular branch. You can create the payment, and it's done. Now let's go to reporting. We will go to subscriptions, and here as well you can add the branches and get your reports on the basis of the branches. So let's say if I go to total and I select this branch, you can see different branches over here, and you can also select the salesperson. So this can be also filtered via branch, and you can get your pivot report very seamlessly and nicely. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.